Hi, my name is Connie Pastorius, and this is your 5-minute stretch break. So find a clear open space on the floor, comfortable rug or a mat. Let's begin by standing up tall and moving into arm circles. Just draw the arms forward, up, back, and down. Not too fast, not too slow. We're just starting to integrate some big moves into all the joints of the body. Take one more and rest. Great. Let's take our feet hip distance apart and we'll twist from left to right. So we're twisting from the ankles up through the crown of the head, opening the channels of the spine, and just enjoying a little massage as the hands gently make their way onto the torso. One more in each direction. Wonderful. From here, let's move into some lateral flexion. So hands at the heart. Let's go ahead and reach the left arm up and the right arm down and reach just slightly back behind. Go ahead and exhale the hands back to the heart. Inhale, reach the other arm up and down and back to the heart. Inhale, exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. Now let's take the arms forward. Exhale, open wide. Inhale, arms up. And exhale to the heart. Reversing that, let's inhale the arms up. Exhale, open out wide. Inhale, forward, palms together. Exhale to the heart. Reverse again. Inhale, palms forward. Exhale, open out. Inhale, arms up. Exhale to the heart. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale out. Inhale, palms together, and exhale to the heart. Perfect. From here, let's go ahead and take our hands out to the sides. We're going to inhale them overhead, deep breath in, and then exhale, swan dive towards the floor, slight bend in the knee. Relaxing the head as much as you have to, and bending the knees all the way until the ribs touch the thighs. Totally relaxed. We shake the head out, yes and no. And then bend our knees a little more, look forward, inhale the arms out and up. Exhale the hands to the heart. Once more, inhale up. Exhale, swan dive forward. Bend the knees as much as you have to. Deep breath in. Exhale, totally relax, shake the head out. And then look forward, inhale, arms out and up. Exhale the hands back to the heart. Excellent. Let's come onto our knees and then sit in a comfortable seated position. So I'm going to crisscross applesauce my legs, otherwise known as half lotus. If you're more comfortable sitting on a cushion or a block, that's fine, because we're still in our stretching mode and want to warm up and get the hips comfortable. From here, we're going to move into a little bit more left-right movement. So let's take the left forearm all the way down to the floor as we reach the right arm up and over. Inhale it up, both arms out to the side. Exhale, forearm to the other side. As you reach the left arm over, look up. Inhale up, arms out to the side. Exhale. Nice side body stretch. Inhale up. Exhale down. Let's go once more on each side. And if it's not very comfortable just yet to take the forearm to the thigh, just take the hand down. Maybe you don't go as low for now. Exhale to the side. And then come on back to the center. So going into a seated spinal twist, let's go ahead and take the left arm to the right knee. As we twist, we reach the right arm back. Gentle twist. You can use that hand that's on the knee to help look as you look over your shoulder. And then we're going to flow here. So let's inhale back to the center. Exhale the right hand to the left knee. Reach the left hand back and twist. Inhale to the center. Nice and slow. Switch arms. Cross the body. Exhale and twist. Nice straight spine. Inhale center. Exhale twist. Let's go once more on each side. Exhale twist. Inhale center. Exhale twist. From here, let's go into all fours. Hands are under shoulders, knees are under hips. Moving through a cat-cow. Let's inhale and lift the tailbone, pull the shoulders back and look forward. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, spread the shoulder blades, tuck the chin. Inhale, tailbone up, shoulders back, look forward. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, spread the shoulder blades, tuck the chin. Once more, inhale and exhale. Wonderful. From here, tuck the toes under, lift the knees off the mat into downward facing dog just for a couple breaths. Pedal the heels down, just casually right and left. Just waking up the back of the legs. Breathe. And then from here, let's step the left leg all the way up in between the hands. And we're going to drop the knee. So if you need to help that foot up between the hands, that's fine. Just grab the ankle and bring it up. And then take it foot, hand, hand across the mat. Here's where we start to stretch the legs. Let's inhale and straighten the front leg. And exhale and lunge forward. So we're working the pose into the hips with some nice easy movements. Inhale, straighten the leg as you come back. Exhale, forward. Inhale, back. Exhale, forward. This time, shift the weight back and draw the toes up towards the head. You may walk your hands a little closer to the body and really feel the stretch down the back of the leg. Keep the spine as straight as possible, so shoulders are back, looking forward. And then come on forward again, hands on the mat, and just switch legs. So now we bring the right leg up, grab onto the ankle, help it up in between the hands if possible, and then we take it hand, hand, foot across the top of the mat. Working our way into this pose, we inhale, straighten the leg, keep the toes on the floor. Exhale, lunge forward. Inhale, straighten. Exhale, lunge forward. Once more, straighten the leg. Exhale to lunge. And then we inhale and straighten. Stay here. Walk the hands a little closer as you draw the toes up towards your head. Nice long stretch down the back of the legs. Take one more inhale. Exhale and lunge forward again. This time bring the legs all the way around, back to that comfortable seated position on the mat. Finishing off with a nice neck stretch. So taking the left fingertips to the right side of the head, gently pressing and lengthening the right side of the head. Very gentle stretch for the neck. Inhale it back up. And exhale, take the other fingertips to the side of the head and gently stretch. Do once more on each side. Opposite fingertips, and it's just the pressure of those fingertips moving the head. Everything else is relaxed. Come on up. Other side. Stretch. And come on up. Inhale, take the arms overhead. Deep breath in. Exhale, hands to your heart. Always remember to stay strong, stay hydrated. Remember that you've got this, and be sure to subscribe so you can get more awesome content. That way you can stay strong as a mother. My name is Connie. Have an amazing day.